How to fix event ID 1108, the event logging service encountered an error. 1. Restart Windows Event Log Service. 2. Set 1 to start at hkey_local_machine \system \current control set \services \event log in the registry editor. Reboot your Windows later. 3. Delete subkey for the DFSR service at hkey_local_machine \system \current control set \services \DFSR \restore in registry editor. Restart the DFS replication service. 4. Perform a system restore. 5. Repair your Windows using installation media. 6. Reset reinstall your system. 7. For more info, read 1108's the event logging service encountered an error while processing an incoming event published from %1 at MS Learn Center.